Okay, please all participants open your R Studio. Open R Studio and type down within chat. In our previous class, we have done practice for regression analysis. Now, in today's class, we will perform work on
defeated force for Liverpool so far this season. Bottom line is they're only defeated 21 games in all competitions.
Please mute your mic and stop video. We will work for non-parametric test and multivariate analysis. You already have done principal component analysis, discriminant analysis, and MD. So today we will perform these three tasks, but I will teach you. You need to watch and listen carefully. After teaching these three tasks, then I will give you time for practice. So today your tasks are non-parametric test, multivariate analysis, and time series analysis. Copy. I am sharing this within group. Okay. Here is your group. All participants, please copy and save it on your R Studio. So here are today's tasks. We will perform some non-parametric tests, including Wilcoxon, signed rank test, Kruskal-Wallis test, and Spearman rank correlation test. So first you need to ask 4 questions for each test. For example, our main heading is non-parametric test. Copy, open new script. Here are your task and here is your script. Please first all participants listen carefully and then I will allow you will work on it. So here is our today task is non-parametric test. So first question should be arise in your mind. What is non-parametric test? Second question, why we perform non-parametric test? Third, types of non-parametric test and sample data for each type of test. Copy these 4 questions and ask answer from ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT, new chat, and paste it within message and send. It will give you a non-parametric test is a type of statistical test that does not assume any specific distribution like normal distributions for the underlying data. These tests are useful when data violates the assumption of parametric test, such as normality or homogeneity of variance. You can also explore it in more. For example, copy and write a message. Please explain it in more easy way and with simple example. Yes. So here is what is a non-parametric test. A non-parametric test is a statistical test used when the data does not follow a normal distribution. The data is ranked ordinal or categorical, not continuous or numerical data. Not continuous and numerical data. There are outliers that make other tests unreliable. Non-parametric tests work without needing the data to fit any specific mathematical pattern. They focus more on median, rank, and categories rather than mean or standard deviation. So there is no numeric data required for this. Why perform non-parametric test? Flexibility. You can use it for non-normal data. Small data set work well with a small amount of data. Outlier resistance. Outlier don't affect results much. Simple comparison useful for ranked and ordinal data like survey rating. Example. Example of non-parametric test with simple examples. Here is a breakdown of different type with easy examples. For example, one sample test. You want to check if the median salary of a group of workers is $50,000. For example, here is the data set 48,000, 52,000, 47,000, 49,000, and 51,000. Test. Sign test. Check if the median is equal to 50,000. Two sample. You have two group. You want to compare 1 and 2. Are the median of the two groups different? You don't need to check mean. It depends on medians. Wilcoxon signed rank test. Purpose. Compare two related groups. Measure weight before and after a diet program. Before weight and after. Is there a significant change in weight? You can check there is any change before and after. More than two groups. If you have more than two groups, you can apply Kruskal-Wallis test. Compare more than two independent groups. For example, compare plant growth under three type of fertilizer, fertilizer A, B, and C, and do the median of these group differ? Not mean. Median is differ. Freedom test purpose, compare the more than two related groups. Similarly, assumptions between variables and chi-square test are also included in this. So here is the summary for all this. I am sending the screenshot of this summary within group. Okay, now I'm writing a line, please. Give separate sample data table for each type of test. Here is the one sample test data and two sample man Whitney U test, Wilcoxon signed rank test, and more than two groups, Kruskal-Wallis test and freedom test. Association between variable, Spearman rank test, chi-square test, and yes. So these are the data set. No, I want to apply analysis on all these analysis on the given sample data set. So say thanks. Please, no, I need Excel file for these sample data. ChatGPT will give you Excel file for all type of analysis in Excel files. Similarly, as you get a file in regression analysis, t-test analysis, and ANOVA analysis. No, ChatGPT will give you a Excel file. You need to run these analysis one by one on ChatGPT. No. After this, you need to search your next task. Here is the file for non-parametric test. Here is a journal file. You need to download sample data of your field of study from ChatGPT. For example, if your field of study is health science, you need to download data from health science. If your field of study plant science, for example, my field of study is plant science, I say, please give example dataset from botany. Here is the example dataset specifically tailored for botany related research. If your field of study economics, you can get dataset for economics. If you study business, you can get dataset for business. If your field of study is chemistry, you can get a sample dataset for chemistry. So these are same step you have performed in previous class. No, today you need to perform all these tasks which I have shared with you in group by following same procedure for each step. If you have any question, you can ask. If clear, type clear within Zoom chat and start your task. Please, if you have clear your task, type clear within chat and start your task. Okay, now I have shared 3 tasks within group. You need to complete all these 3 tasks. Now you have a time 40 minutes. Within 40 minutes, you need to complete this task. I am here. I am live. You can also discuss with me if you found any issue or error or unable to resolve any task, you can discuss. Okay, thank you. Now I am stopping a recording, but your class is continue. You can ask question within Zoom chat, WhatsApp group, or you can also allow to open your mic. Okay, thanks. Please start practice.